Oh no! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Wednesday night race night. New camera. This is a new GoPro Hero 11. We're actually going to shoot this in a new setting, 5.3K 60. And we're going to go first with the two-wheel drive. Still running the YOKOMO YZ2 DTM3. No changes there. The rear tires are pretty much worn down to slicks. Qual 1 was doing well, Qual 2 not so much. We're going to do Joker laps this week, so this means we're going to get 3 times where we can take a shortcut, where you can bypass the whoops. So we'll get to do 3 shortcut laps through the race. We'll go out here. It's main time. All right, here we go. Two-wheel drive AMAIN with the YOKOMO YZ2 DTM3.
Ryan Mister. Joel Wagachi. Nathan Glover. Deep Row.
Thanks. Thank you.
JK.
That was a practice joker just to see if my slicks will handle it. Sort of.
The straight is closed.
That's right. Starting in P5.
No. Do we have all the marshal?
White.
So everybody's ready? Less than 5.
There we go. Oh, forgot Joker. Oh, I forgot. Would have been really hard to pull it in traffic anyway.
It doesn't. We forgot to reset it.
Don, Brad. How come Nathan's not counting?
Too quick.
Hey?
Yeah, I left right there.
Okay, now we can.
That's 2 jokers. You guys took all yours?
Yeah, I'm done.
I got one.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
I'll take my 3.
Oh no. Oh no.
So we have Nathan first. Nope. Sarah, Brian, Joel, John, Brad.
It's unfortunate.
Oh, come on.
Pipe sucked me in. Whoops. Last one, last joker just taken for no good reason.
We have Dara, Joel, Brian, Nathan, Brad, and John. So Nathan, the fast lap of 19.996.
19.
Awesome.
Two minutes left.
Golden first. Vera, Brian, Nathan, Brad, and John.
Oh no. Ah. This is terrible.
There is the fastest lap, which is Joker 19.76.
One minute left.
So Joel, Dara, Nathan, Brian, Brad, and John.
Are Brad and I on the same lap or no? Oh no! Terrible.
Brad Taylor done.
Blew it.
Joel Wagachi done.
Oh.
Steve Slow done.
Scare ya?
JK done. Nathan Glover done.
Did you take that? Really?
Ryan Nixon. All drivers are finished.
Whoops. I'll bleep and take that. Good job.
That was good.
Yeah, no, I just I went too fast.
Hey, we were on the same lap.
So the minimum lap time.
I screwed up a bunch of times.
High, so it didn't count.
You beat me. Good job. Well done.
Wow.
15 and 20. What?
Well, I pulled over to let you by down here. I went.
Yeah, I know.
wide.
And then I sucked into the pipes. Yeah, and then.
I shouldn't be racing. I'm just gonna pull over. Because I'm in the way.
Yeah, you should be racing me. You've been on pace all night.
I thought you were a lap ahead.
Nope. I had many mistakes.
Yeah, there you go. Wow, it was my first day in.
Well done.
Sorry, JK. I hope I didn't cause you a position.
A little, but that's okay. That's part of the game. You were running at the marshal.
I did look. I didn't see. You
No, I
must have
know.
been on the bottom of the hump.
Yeah, I was in the air. I was in the air and you were running back. So it happens. Anyway, that was two-wheel drive AMAIN. If you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.